Welcome. If you're having trouble with Gmail calls not working, you're in the right place. Today we'll walk through some updated steps to help you get back on track. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon to verify your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. A strong connection is crucial for making calls. Step 2. Close the app and reopen. It's sometimes simply closing the Gmail app and reopening it can resolve minor glitches. To do this, swipe up or down, depending on your device, to access your recent apps, find Gmail, and swipe it away to close it. Then, reopen the app and see if the issue persists. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're still facing issues, it's time to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings again, find the Gmail app under Apps or Application Manager. Tap on it, then select Storage. Here, you'll see an option to Clear Cache. This step can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing problems. Step 4. Clear app data. Next, while still in the storage settings for Gmail, tap on Clear Data. This action will reset the app to its default state without deleting your emails. Confirm this step when prompted. Step 5. Restart your device. After clearing the cache and data, restart your device. This simple step can refresh system processes and resolve lingering issues. Step 6. Open the app again. Once your device has restarted, open the Gmail app again. Check if you can now make calls without any problems. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to fix any issues with Gmail calls not working effectively. If problems persist after trying all these methods, consider checking for updates for both your device and the Gmail app itself. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on troubleshooting tech issues.